Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Camille. If this is your first time here, if it is not your first time here, then welcome back. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I go from super dark black hair to this pretty brownish, blondish, goldish, whatever color you wanna call this, with zero damage. Zero damage, and I am living for it. It's perfect, right on time for summer, and I absolutely love it. So if you wanna figure out how I got this look, then just keep watching.
And you ain't making this much easier.
Hi friends. Okay, so I'm very excited for today's video because you probably already know from the intro, but I am gonna be trying out this As I Am curl color in the color Bold Gold. So let me take the top off so y'all can get into it. I'm super excited. I did open it last night because I'm nosy and I just had to see. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It is showing up very orange on camera. I'm so excited because I used to have my hair colored and would love to add some color to my hair again, but I'm just really like not ready for the damage that comes with the color. Okay, so I'm gonna be trying this and I'm gonna read the instructions on it before we get started. So, curl and define your curls with this curling gel. This curl enhancing curl gel provides a medium hold that lasts one wash, okay? Before applying, it is important to cleanse the hair before using the color. Towel dry before applying curl color. Hair must be dry or damp, not dripping wet before applying curl color to prevent color transfer. Use gloves to apply color. And great for twist out, coils, wash and goes, and rod sets. Okay, cool. So I did wash and deep condition my hair. I actually washed my hair with these L'Occitane products, which I loved, by the way. And I used the As I Am Jamaica Black Castor Oil Deep Conditioner because that's the only thing that I have from this line, which I really like that. It leaves my hair super hydrated. I rinsed the deep conditioner out of my hair this morning and I put in the products that you guys have seen me use in my last couple of videos, which is the Camille Rose Honey Step 1 Leave-In, and I also used the Cream of Nature Don't Shrink Leave-In. I think it's a leave-in. I don't know. I will have everything that I used linked down in the description box below. But my hair right now is 60% dry. So this is what it looks like before. Okay, so let's see if this is going to define my curls. I'm interested to see if this will define them. I did cover my chair that I'm sitting in a towel just because I don't want to get gold stains all over, and I do have an extra towel in my lap. May or may not put this over my shoulders. Haven't decided yet, and I am gonna wear gloves. Okay, so the only thing here is I only have these cleaning gloves, but my nails are a light color and I just feel like it would stain. So I'm gonna put these on. I feel crazy already. And I don't know, should I dry my hair some more? I'm gonna just do like I don't ever do this to my hair. I feel like it makes it more frizzy, but I don't want it to transfer too much. Oh yeah, the towel's pretty wet, so. Okay, I'm just gonna squeegee off. I'm just gonna squeegee off any excess water with this towel just to avoid transfer. And oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm excited. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, it smells sweet, not like overbearingly sweet. It kind of has the same smell that most of the As I Am products have, which is like, it smells a little tropical if you've never used their things before. I like it. It says this is free from silicones, DEA, something I can't pronounce, parabens, GMO, harsh chemicals, gluten, and ammonia. So I don't think it should damage my hair at all. And let's see. And I saw most of the girlies doing this on like a twist out, and I really enjoyed my last twist out, which was my first twist out, but I feel like I don't want to dedicate that amount of time to my hair today. So let's just Feels so weird trying to do things to my hair with gloves on. I don't like gloves. They feel restricting, but I don't want to mess up my nails either. Okay, so I'm going in with like this much. And oh my God, I'm nervous. Okay, this might be too much that I'm starting off with, but I'm gonna make it work. Okay, so I'm just gonna rake this through with my fingers. Wow. Okay, so initially when it goes on, it looks a little artificial, but the more you work it in, the more consistent the color is becoming. Also, I did not use a gel on my hair today. I'm using this as my gel. I know some people use a gel and then go back in with this, but this is a gel and it claims that it's gonna define your hair. So I just kind of wanna see what this can do on its own. OMG, this is so cool. Okay. So I'm just gonna make sure that it's all the way right through so there's no like chunks and that it could really have a good chance of drying like it needs to, but it might be better to work in smaller sections, but look! I really want to take these gloves off so I can see what it feels like, but it feels like it's working through my hair pretty easily. Okay. That's pretty. It looks natural too. I don't know if I should go over with another layer or... That looks pretty natural. What do you guys think? Is it too natural? It's me talking to y'all, like y'all can answer me right now in real time. And like I don't have to wait for your comments. Okay. One more layer, right? Why not? And it is all over the gloves, so definitely keep that in mind. Oh, that's so pretty. This is like the perfect low commitment color style for the summer. The only thing is you can't get multiple uses out of this. Like once your hair gets wet, it's done, it's over. But this is super pretty. Ah, cute. Okay, I'm so excited, wow.
I don't want you waiting too long. It's not that I'm over you, not over girl, but I got things to do.
I actually feel like you can probably get like multiple uses out of this product, I guess just depending on how much hair you have, because this is how much I've used so far. And this is half of my head that's done. Like I could go back over to make it darker, but honestly, it looks natural with like less product on it. But I did notice in the other videos that the vibrancy dies down a little bit once your hair dries. So that's why I'm gonna go in and just put it on like a little bit heavier. I'm excited. It feels like it's got a lot of slip from what I can tell with my gloves on. Okay, I need to record a reel too, y'all. So I'm about to take a little pause and okay, be right back. So I already started on this side because like I said, I had to record for my YouTube view, but it's so crazy because it really feels like I'm putting like bleach in, well, it doesn't feel like I'm putting bleach in my hair, but just like to see my roots and stuff look so light. Okay, so look, notice how it goes on and it looks like orange.
I don't want you waiting too long. It's not that I'm over you, not over girl, but I got things to do. It's so much to be your boyfriend, so much, and you ain't making this much easier. If all you do is, when I used to be your best friend, you see me blowing up. Come on, don't act like I'm average. You want me home, I get you what you want. Superstar status, you want me alone. You held me up, but now it's down and out. But I don't want you waiting around for me. I don't want you waiting too long. I don't want you waiting too long.
Yo, see I'm a star. Look at me from afar. Halting me down to earth. When you nesting on Mars, you coming on.
You know what, y'all? You might also be able to do like highlights with this too. Like if you really took your time and just like strategically placed it, I feel like that would be super cute. And just add like the pops of color where you want. So this stuff also comes in like red, green, blue, purple. This is bold gold. I wanted to try the copper color, but I'm actually pretty happy that they only have this one because I don't think I would have tried it, and I like it more than I thought I was going to. It's definitely giving summer vibes. I'm packing on a little bit heavier at the top. Only thing is you have to make sure you're not missing spots because you don't want it to look like super patchy. I do understand why people would do this in like the twist out, because you're not gonna be able to like manipulate your hair very much because you don't want the product to come off, but this is, it's like super neat. Okay, I'm gonna go one more time towards the front. Also, make sure you wear a shirt that you don't care about because it's definitely all over my shirt, just FYI. Okay, this is so wild. I just want you guys to be able to see what it looks like all over. And I'm gonna let it dry. Ah, this is so neat. I'm gonna let it air dry. It definitely has nice definition. Okay, so I'm gonna let this air dry, and this is wild to me. And then I'll be back in a little bit. I'm gonna go like in the big mirror and make sure that I'm not like missing any parts, but yeah. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so I did decide to diffuse my hair just a little bit because of the transferring and because I was gonna stay at home all day, and now I'm not gonna stay at home all day. So I don't wanna be getting this everywhere that I go. But y'all, is this not like extremely impressive? Like, it's giving me lots of definition. It's giving I colored my hair. It's very on trend for summer. I'm kind of like zoomed in so you guys can see. So this again is like day one hair. Y'all, I'm like ready for it to be like day 2 hair. And I think I might come back tomorrow and give you guys an update of like how this holds up overnight with me sleeping. I am gonna probably put a bonnet on just because I have white silk pillowcases. Although I've heard a lot of girls say that they don't experience any transfer. It's supposed to not transfer after it's completely dry. So even right now, my hair is not 100% dry. It is mostly dry. So I am like super impressed, super impressed with this. I think the color looks really pretty. I actually think it looks, I mean, kind of natural. It looks like toned a little bit, but honestly, the last time that I had my hair colored, this is what it looked like and I really liked it. So I'm not saying that in a negative way, but I really like this, especially because it's like the curls are not compromised at all. I do feel a little bit of crunch, not bad though. And just so you guys can see up close, we don't have any flaking. And like I said, well, I also just put lotion on, so that's probably like a bad idea to be touching my hair. But my hair is not 100% dry. And let's see, I am getting a tiny bit of transfer, a tiny bit. It looks almost like body shimmer. Wipe it on me. This is so gorgeous. I'm really impressed with this product. I definitely would be interested in trying the other colors. And I think it's so cute. Okay, and also I covered my entire head and I still have so much product left. I definitely could get another full use out of this and I'm super duper into it. So yeah, hey friends, so it is 2 days later. So this is day 3 hair, and I just wanted to come on here and show y'all how the color has been holding up. I did not take my hair down at all yesterday. I actually have had it in a pineapple until like an hour ago. And just so y'all can see, the color is very much still here. And yeah, my roots, I guess it might be gone a little bit. I have been to the gym. I have showered in like a hot steamy shower. I'm not having any transfer, although today it is like pretty humid. And I did notice that at the gym today, while working out outside, I touched my hair and there was a little bit of transfer. There has not been any transfer though since the first day. Like I slept and I wore a white silk scarf and I didn't have any transfer on there. So it is pretty reliable in that sense, but you have to absolutely make sure that it gets dry. I sweat at the gym a little bit and I wiped my edges and there was a little bit of transfer. So just keep in mind that this is foolproof so long as your hair stays dry. But the definition that I have from this is like really crazy, because with some of my other gels, I'm not having this much definition on day 3 and I'm pretty sure it's the gel. So I don't know if it's that As I Am has really good gels and I need to like look into that, or I don't know, but this is what it's looking like. This is what it's giving. I am still really happy with the results and I'm definitely gonna be using this again. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Hope you enjoyed the video. Love you. Mwah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you made it to the end, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you guys want to see in the next video. And until then, I'll see you next time. Mwah.
And you ain't making this much easier. If all you do is when I used to be your best friend.